The 2019 Free Of campaign was born from research that we've been doing in the market and listening to our customers. People are smarter these days. They're wanting to know what's in your food, where does your food come from? Now we're seeing that in personal care items. It stems from an air of transparency, not only from as a manufacturer, but all the way downstream to the end user of the products. So the Free Of campaign is born from that.
The industry sort of settled on Kathon, or a Kathon type preservative, for Isothiazolinones, its scientific term, as the preferred choice. And that's worked very well for the industry for really probably the past 10 years, maybe even a little bit longer than that. Recent data has shown that it can be irritating.
It's irritation and the potential to be sensitized. What a sensitizer is build up over time. You could use something and use something and use something, and then one day after you're exposed to X level over Y time, you'll see it. You might get a rash, other things may happen. Having Kathon-free products just takes that out of the equation, right? It is a safer product. We all want green, we all want safe, we all want mild, and that just sort of keeps it headed in that direction.
Customers are demanding that there be some choice and some alternative to many of these traditional things. And some of those challenges of meeting that are replacing something that is used at a very, very low use level with something that also is at a low use level and doesn't impart any negative effects from a performance standpoint. And some of the recent work that we've done here at SCT, I think, has done that, and we are very proud of some of the solutions that we've been able to come up with.
What they're wanting, what they're looking for is consistency. Consistency in a Kathon-free system. We've done the legwork with that, and it's all across the board one final preservative that's cost effective, and you get full efficacy at very low dosage.
We've explored what we believe is good options and alternatives that suit us and the customers and the market. SCT has a very good relationship with our customers all the way down to the lab level. With what's happening recently, they recognize some of the innovative things that we've done, sulfate-free, Prop 65-free. We recognize what's happening with preservatives in the market, and they recognize SCT's technical ability, whether it comes down to understanding the products that we produce, how to formulate with them, where to use them and where not to use them. They want our help. We decided that we didn't want to be reactive, we wanted to be proactive. We engaged some of our customers and figure out where they were headed and what they want and what they didn't want. So any of our new products are going to be CIT, MIT free.